So hi guys, this is a new series that we are coming up with. Here we'll try to teach you English. In the chapters that we've covered, we've tried to teach you in more practical way. You can see how people speak. We'll add some clips to the video so that you get to know how to use it, and this thing will help you in both your spoken as well as your कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स. सो हम लोगों ने जो सेशन आप लोगों के लिए बनाया है ये इसलिए बनाया है कि आपको थोड़े प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल्स मिल जाएं. सो हमारा जो पहला ये वीडियो है, दिस इज मोर अबाउट प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस एंड सिंपल प्रेजेंट. सो बिफोर गोइंग एनी फर्दर, बिफोर टॉकिंग एनी फर्दर, लेट्स जस्ट सी द फर्स्ट क्लिप एंड आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन.
Sheldon, I'm working. I can't take you to the dentist. Also, and I can't stress this enough, I don't want to take you to the dentist.
Can't help a friend out in a time of need, huh? See where your therapist was coming from.
So, आपने first clip देखा, you must have seen the first clip. So here, Stuart says, I am working. Now, first of all, जैसे ही ing and ismr आता है, the moment we see ing and ismr, this means the tense is present continuous. अब we need to know why do we use present continuous. We use present continuous for three conditions. Something that is happening right now. This is our condition 1, which is happening in our scene where that person is working. He is working right now. The second person comes, दूसरा आदमी आता है, उसको कहता है कि मेरे साथ चलो, and he says no, I am working right now. Whereas condition number 2 is temporary action. This is the condition where we normally make mistakes. For example, if I am teaching in place of some other teacher for say 15 days, अगर मैं 15 दिन के लिए किसी दूसरे टीचर की जगह पढ़ा रहा हूँ, तो I teach नहीं बोल के मुझे क्या बोलना पड़ेगा? I am teaching in this institute these days. These days लगाते ही क्या पता चल जाएगा? That मैं थोड़े टाइम के लिए पढ़ा रहा हूँ and now I'll stop after some time. And the third condition that happens is future, when you are 100% sure. So if you're 100% sure of the future, you can simply use present continuous, like I am going to Delhi tomorrow. So we are talking about tomorrow, but I am using present continuous. Why? Because we are 100% sure. We might have got our tickets booked, and right? So for more details on this present continuous, we've already made a comprehensive video of around 20 minutes, for which you'll get the link in the I button, and you can go through it, and it will cover all the nuances. हर छोटी छोटी बात वो cover करेगा, and you'll know how we use this tense. Now let's move on to our second clip.
Okay, let's discuss Rachel's birthday. I say we throw a surprise party this weekend.
Whoa, but her birthday's not for like another month.
Okay, but if we throw her a party on her birthday, then it's not a surprise.
It's a great idea. Yeah, we can have a dinner party and just invite our close friends.
So I hope you would have seen the clip. Here we have created a fill in the blank for you, and the two options are I think and I am thinking. This clip is from one of my favorite serials, that is Friends. It is a story of 6 friends. They live together in 2 apartments, and the character speaking here is Monica. And for first of all, anybody who wants to improve English, this is one serial, one sitcom which I tell everybody or suggest people that they should definitely watch this one. So let's get back to the question. What Monica says here? Monica says, I think. Now this is a contradiction. ये contradiction हो गया हमारे पहले वाले क्लिप से, because first clip में हम जो काम अभी कर रहे हैं उसके लिए हमने बोला ing लगेगा, whereas मोनिका अभी सोच रही है, फिर भी हमने think लगाया, thinking नहीं लगाया. If we talk about competitive exams, you will get same kind of questions in competitive exam as well, कि आपको आंसर I am thinking लग रहा होगा मगर आंसर होगा I think. And for your spoken English, this is important because this makes you look good. Right? So why do we write think here जबकि काम अभी हो रहा है, तब भी हम think क्यों यूज करते हैं? Because this comes under the category of non-continuous verbs. Non-continuous verbs is a list of verbs in which we do not use ing, because if we use ing or we don't use ing, they almost mean the same thing. Right? So there are certain verbs which are called non-continuous verbs. Non-continuous verbs में अगर हम ing लगाते हैं तो normally हमारा question गलत हो जाता है. Right? So again we've done this in detail, and you'll get the link for non-continuous verb in the I button again. So let's just quickly talk about the question now. So think और thinking क्यों नहीं हुआ? Because मैं सोचता हूँ, मुझको लगता है और मुझको लग रहा है, वो दोनों का मीनिंग सेम है. मुझको लगता है कि तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है, मुझको लग रहा है तुम्हें समझ में आ रहा है. When the meaning is same, so this one is normally wrong. So this was the answer of the second question. Here Monica would say, I think. You can check it in the clip now, and I think we should do it. And for this you need to know non-continuous verb, and as I've already told, you'll get the link in the I button. Now let's move on.
Okay, but if we throw her a party on her birthday, then it's not a surprise.
I think that's a great idea. We can have a dinner party and just invite our close friends.
You would have seen the clip. What she says I think, because think is a non-continuous verb. Now let's move on to our next category. Now let's just quickly talk about simple present as well. Simple present is a tense which talks about everyday activity. Let's first watch the clip. Let's see how they use simple present, then we'll talk about it.
Jim eats the same ham and cheese sandwich every day for lunch.
Now, put on your hard hat and safety vest.
Oh, fun. I get to spend another night in front of our apartment dressed like one of the village people.
You make that joke every 3 months. I still don't get it.
As you would have seen in the clip, the first clip is from the office. Serial का नाम The Office है, right? So here the guy says eats. अब the guy does not say eating, he says eats. And what gives us the hint? Every day. So as we talked about in present continuous is used for categories where something is happening right now, a temporary action, or future action, future surety. But every day tells us something that happens regularly. Every day हमें बताता है वो काम जो हमेशा होता है. इसीलिए in the video the guy says eats and he uses the word every day. The second clip is from the Big Bang Theory, and here he says every 3 months, and he used the word make. Again आप देखेंगे कि he did not use making. Why? Because he used the time, that is every 3 months. So the time does not come under the category of right now, temporary action, or future surety. That is why he used the word make. So the basic thing that you guys need to know about present continuous is simple present is that we use simple present for anything that happens regularly. कोई भी चीज़ जो रोज होती है, जो काफ़ी समय से हो रही है, उसके लिए we use the tense simple present. So there is a timeline: past, present, and future. So in spoken English and in exams, जो भी काम past, present or future, anything that happens in past, present and future, all the three things, that is called simple present. Right? So simple present is again one of the very important tenses in our daily life and for exams as well. Then the second point that comes here is the usage of s. Right? So in verb we use s if our pronoun is singular, that is अगर हम he, she, it या कोई नाम यूज करते हैं तो सिंपल प्रेजेंट में कोई भी वर्ब हो उसमें s लग जाता है. Right? As you would have seen in the clip, he uses the word Jim. Jim is a name of a person. Singular है इसलिए उसने eat की जगह क्या बोला? Eats बोला. Whereas we remove s if we use plural pronouns you, we, they and I. So if we use these 4 pronouns, we cannot use s with the verb, and this is one error which sounds very bad in your spoken English. I've seen a lot of students who will say he go, he study, he play. The moment you go into an interview, the moment you're speaking in front of somebody else, these kind of errors sound really bad. So we have to be very comfortable with using s with the verb when we talk about singulars. So in this video we've talked about 2 tenses, that is present continuous and simple present. आप चाहे spoken English की बात करें, चाहे exams की बात करें, these errors are very important. These days examiners have become more logical, so the errors that students make in their spoken English part are coming in their exams. हम जो गलतियाँ बोलने में करते हैं वही गलतियाँ बहुत सारी एग्जाम्स में आ रही हैं. रूल्स वाली गलतियाँ ग्रेजुअली कम होती जा रही हैं. तो इसलिए जितनी गलतियां आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश में, जितना आप हिंदी सोच के इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, सेम काइंड ऑफ एरर्स यू विल स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग इन योर exams as well. So now gradually that spoken English and your exams are getting connected. They are no longer bothered about how good your grammar is, but they are bothered about how good your grammar is when you speak. So grammar is any day important, but they are giving the questions with respect to your spoken English. So these kind of points are important for both spoken English and your competitive English, be it SSC, CGL, whatever. Thank you guys for now. See you next time.
Thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, press the like button, subscribe to our channel and ring that bell icon so that you can get notified every time we upload a new lesson.